Okay, I've had a few requests to see the inside of Wally, and I've been meaning to kind of give you guys a tour of him. He's very 80s conversion. I am missing the coach badge, which I really hate that. Driver's area, pretty much stock dash. Windows. It had valances up here that went across. From what I understand, it was like a Winnebago conversion or something, you know, all the stuff. Even the black and gray tank is, you know, out of a Winnebago or RV of some sorts. There was a little dinette there, I guess, previous owner had gotten rid of, and there was a little chair sitting there, a little swivel recliner that I gave to the guy that bought the school bus. There's a whole story behind that that's really kind of funny. But all this will soon be coming out. It's a mirror and a cabinet there. Was a refrigerator. There's a little refrigerator, but I think that's where the refrigerator is supposed to be. Going down the hall here just a bit is your bathroom on the right hand side. Here's the shower. Wish I had a different lens, or I knew how to adjust my camera better, but there again, I think just kind of taken right straight out of the So, you know, the nice thing is the coach wasn't dirty, you know, and not really ran down, but I want to get rid of this whole setup. I've got a whole different idea for what needs to be done back here, and I want to follow that whole round contour of the bus back here that it seems like in so many of these conversions that they tried to get away from instead of incorporate. And I want to put the door's there, it's just behind the paneling, so I'll be in search of the hardware for that, I imagine. I'm hoping that the windows are behind there and they paneled over those too, but he's got like a Berber carpet. I got AC functioning, working AC units. The bed lifts up. Oh, I think it's got a strap on it. Under bed storage. Actually, cedar line, that's kind of nice. Repurpose that cedar. Well, there you have it, guys. A little short video of the tour of Wally B. He is a 1958 GM 4104. He was delivered to Alexandria, Louisiana in February of 1958 to Continental Bus Lines. I want to make sure I thank everybody that has hit the like button and the subscribe button and is following along with Wally B's progress.